I've come down St Bernard's Road from near Lawson station, down past the swimming pool to the end of the gravel road. Here there's a good area for parking. You can hear Fairy Falls not far away. Here is the first track junction. The track straight ahead goes down into Dante's Glen and other things, and to the right will take us down to Fairy Falls. But here is the upper fall of the two Fairy Falls. We're coming to a lookout where we will certainly get a better view than we've been getting. You can just see the top of the second drop of Fairy Falls. We've now come to a cliff edge and the track which will take us down into the valley. These are the steps that lead down into Dante's Glen, down there in the rainforest. We're coming to the track junction. On our right is the Empire Pass, but we'll be heading upstream now to Dante's Glen. This last section of the valley walk has many signs, some recent, some perhaps 100 years old. This is a continuation of the creek below Fairy Falls. We're in Dante's Glen, and just up ahead is one of the main attractions of the place. The beginning of the climb that takes us back to the parking area.